Good morning, everyone. Today is our airport adventure.
I am very excited today.
Please brush your teeth quickly.
Okay, Mom. I will be fast.
I cannot wait to see the airplane.
Me too. It will be amazing.
Did everyone pack their things?
Yes, Dad. I packed my book and headphones. Mom, where is my pink backpack? Mom, where is my pink backpack?
It is near the sofa. And do we have the passports?
Yeah.
Yes, they are in my bag.
The taxi is here!
Okay, everyone, let's go.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes!
We are very excited today.
How big is the airport?
It is very big and busy.
Wow! The airport looks amazing.
Many people travel here every day. Thank you. Everything is in order. You're all set for your flight to New York. Thank you. May I see your passports, please? Of course. Here they are.
Everything is fine. That was easy.
Look! I can see an airplane.
Yes. It is preparing for takeoff. Flight 205 is now boarding. That is our flight.
Please sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, Mom.
The clouds look soft and white.
They look like snow. This is my favorite day.
We are making wonderful memories together.
Did you enjoy the airport adventure?
Yes, it was amazing.
Please like, subscribe, and watch more easy English stories. See you in the next adventure.